How to buy 2077 code token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this token is increased by 3000% in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, the liquidity is 99% are locked. That's made your investment in the safe place. As you can see, this token is under Solana network. Now go and click here to be able to copy the token address. Go and open your Phantom wallet, click on swap, select here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now type here how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you will receive. Now click on the provider to select one of these. For example, if you select the Jupiter, now read all of this information and now click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider to be able to complete the buy process. If you face any issues, just go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here, custom it, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the 2077 code token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.